Hi guys! So, now you will learn about the gimmicks and gizmos in the game. And you should go check out the first trailer to understand more of what this game and series is about. Thanks for that, Bambi. Now let's just get to the point and begin the demonstration. So first off, since this is a role-playing game, you obviously have a character customization screen. You can click on these limbs to edit and change their shape. You can also click on the paint bucket to recolor your character as well. And this last button on the left shows you preset character shapes. On the right there's the avatar animations, body types, and grip that are divided into 3 sections: wearing, inventory, and catalog. And at the top there's 4 different sections as well: edit outfit, saved outfits, public outfits, and profiles. There are up to 40 different homes you can buy if they're available. However, a few I think are mansions and you'll have to buy a game pass to get them. You can do actions, emotions, and dances too. You can also buy and drive vehicles. Here's the Game Pass section. And finally, the settings. I hope you enjoyed that brief discussion about some more things for you to know when you play the game yourself. Okay, now let's...
Hey Dad, can we get McDonald's?
No, Tristan, I can't right now. I'm filming for the...
Dad.
Oh, not again.
What?